Shilpi Gupta has asked, what is the ideal and maximum time limit for Kapalbhati? There is a lot of confusion around it. Wonderful. Shilpi, Kapalbhati, is one of the Shatkarmas. And Shatkarmas can ideally be practiced before starting everyday yoga schedule whatsoever is prescribed for you. So, the best time for performing these Shatkarmas is early morning. That too before your asana, pranayam, or meditation. Still, in some cases, as you have already said, that there's a lot of confusion around this. So, confusion is that sometime, or rather say some people, mention Kapalbhati as pranayama. In earlier discourses also, I have explained that if you do Kapalbhati as pranayama, it means it is a simple beginning practice for switching on to Bhastrika. With this regard, we have to practice Kapalabhati with Kumbhaka. Once we give, or rather say we initiate different level of strokes. Suppose I take 100 strokes in one round, you take 50 strokes in one round, or any beginner can take 20, 30, 40 strokes in one round. It depends on individual capacity. It is not as if I make a routine for everyone. It is not to be compared with military parade or practice. It is just individual. All yogic practices are purely individual. You should learn the practice under expert guidance of a teacher or a guru, because he'll introduce the things as per your requirement. So when we practice Kapalabhati as pranayama with Kumbhaka, it should be done after asanas. And if we do Kapalabhati as Shat Karma, it should be done before any yogic practice, not in the end. So, questions are really very helpful to remove the darkness, remove the confusions, and whosoever asks the question, it means it gives us pleasure, because we know that you are thinking during your practice whether we are doing it right or we are at fault somewhere. It is a good symptom. So do continue, and if there is any confusion, we are here to assist you.